What's up guys, I'm married to a dude, but not this one. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are gonna be checking out I'm married to a dude, but not this one.
Curvedness is
The curve is weird, but it's not bad. It's not like that.
okay.
It's a good chaplain. Not bad.
Well, do we have any cool B-roll?
It's down there. Yeah, you know, you got it. You got this. There we go. Yeah.
We are shills, we are shills, we are shills, we are.
Speaking of being a shill, hey Brandon, do you want to check out this knife?
I'm gonna do it. Will you marry me?
All right, is it my turn?
Open your mouth, I need to sneeze.
Oh God, no.
Open your mouth.
Ah,
Open your mouth.
ah.
There's only one thing left to happen.
What's that one thing?
I need a box of bell songs to hit my sweet fucking noggin.
You wanna?
You'd roll the video. Roll the speed. Sue her, I hardly know her.
No, Brandon! Come back! Exceptionally adjustable. Every kiss begins...
Dokui!
What if we just... Huh. The action.
These were like in the same goddamn factory.
Made in China, I
It's like
hardly
it's
know
the
her.
same. Tell me what you stand for, Will.
I stand for equal rights. I stand for more Play-Doh. Yeah. Cool, well that means if I strip one of these screws, which I'm definitely going to do.
I'd love for you to strip.
I've come up with a much better reason for keeping the Squiddy C around. You see, from the moment I saw the Squiddy, I thought it would make a great flow toy, similar to the flow staff.
There she is.
$10 on Amazon.
But also, a little loosey-goosey. Except we're not gonna harm any gooses. Probably just each other a lot.
Aw.
How long have you been down there? Oh.
Let me get you the beer. I got.
You have no idea what it costs to make one of these things, by the way.
Don't lick the tree.
We're on the home stretch. We got nipples, and they're ready to squirt. You can't stop me from putting that in the video. I'm the editor on this one.
Fuck you are.
Oh no, my Squid Industries product needs maintenance. If only there was a place I could go.
This is from Grand. Oh, it's 420 steel!
Wait, we have. So finally, we have the value score.
Oh, God!
Also, none of this is scripted. So, good luck with that. Stab gag. Oh, spray me in the face. Maybe kiss me.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go give Brandon his dinner. Children, dinner time!
Oh, dinner.
Flip a boo boo boo.
I wasn't ready for that!
I wish we had one here, because it would be amazing for the Bally Shark Mermaid Bushing System 6061 aluminum integral channel handles end pins stainless steel bottle opener comb to hit me in the face directly.
That'd be really
right
impressive.
Now.
Holy shit. I actually learned at Blade Show that this Talisong Z I was given was part of a special limited run of 13. The first one went to Eldon himself and has Balisong Jesus etched inside the handle, while the other 11 say 12 disciples. Oh, and one says Judas in there, but we don't talk about that.
Oh.
That's a good sign, bitch.
Does the Crystal Burger Muppet stay on during snacks?
Okay, so
What is that?
well, so here's the thing. You can use the recommended. So you can use the recommended.